Russia's most modern tank, the T-90, and the latest version, the T-90M, are seeing an uptick in losses again. While the around 25 to 30 T-90M tanks lost doesn't sound much compared to the over 2,100 tanks in total, Russia has a much more limited numbers of these. So every tank here counts for Russia. As the tank is more capable than Russia's other tanks, it is almost still as vulnerable to many hard to protect against threats, such as advanced anti-tank guided missile, drones, mines or artillery, and as seen here, even a small cheap drone can be a major threat to Russia's most modern tank, as the Ukrainian drone operators are smart and hit the least protected area of the tank, which is over the engine compartment, on the top back section of the tank. Here you can both damage the engine, more easily penetrate through into the tank, or start a fire that can spread, all reducing down the tank to scrap metal, taking out another of Russia's tanks, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.